Hi guys, welcome back. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how are we going to install the regular RA2 Pro onto the accessory tool, the tilting accessory tool and the laser positioning tool on top of this RA2 Pro. Okay, so first of all what we're going to do is we will have to remove, there are 3 screws down here. That's one, there's another one, and that's another one. Okay, so we need to use the 2mm Allen key. Okay, so we will actually have to remove the screws out. Okay, I'll show it to you. So we have to remove the base plate. Okay, so the whole idea is we have to remove the base plate. Okay, this RA2 Pro base plate down here. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and I need to remove these 2 screws as well. Okay, so after we remove the screw, we just have to displace this base panel down here. Alright, so we are actually left with this RA2 rotary unit down here. Okay, so how are we going to fix this? Alright, you can be able to notice there are 3 holes down here. So, okay, so that on the back there is there are 3 M3 screws, right? So what they do is we're going to fix it onto the holes down here. Okay, so after when we fix all the 3 screws, right now what we can be able to do is there is a knob down here, right? So this little knob down here, when we actually turn it, so what happened is, okay, let me show it to you. I will just lock this tumbler on. Okay, so after when we secure the tumbler onto the feet down here, these 3 little feet down here, so if you would like to tilt the tumbler at a certain angle, so what we can do is you can be able to notice, right? So when I turn it, okay, so let's say for example, you can see it's actually moving up. Alright, so if you want to do, let's say for example, if a tumbler who are actually irregular, so you would like to actually laser, for example, I would like to laser on the rim down here. So what I can be able to do is I'm going to turn it. Okay, turn it upwards. Okay, until the laser beam can be able, for example, down here right now. Okay, so the beam can be able to shoot inside the rim down here. All right, so that is how the accessory tool works on this. All right, so the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to fix the laser positioning tool so that we can be able to find where is the highest spot onto the tumbler. Alright, so the purpose of this laser positioning tool is for us to find where is the center of the tumbler and the highest spot of it. So at the end of the day, when we focus, that means the 2 beams, when it focus, we can be able to focus right on top of the tumbler. Alright, okay, so right after when we install the laser positioning tool on top of the RA2 Pro down here, so first of all, now the tumbler is still here. All right, we're going to make sure that it's level because we are using the chuck. All right, so we have the leveler, the mini leveler. All right, so we put it on the center down here and we actually turn the knob, okay, to make sure that it's in level. Okay, so right now it's in level right now. Okay, so after when we find the level, okay, on the tumbler, the next thing what we're going to do is, this is where the laser beam will shoot out. Okay, so the laser beam is right down here. Okay, the laser beam is right down here. We need to turn on the switch is right at the back. All right, so there is a little switch down here, so we just need to turn it on. Okay, so there is your laser beam. Okay, so you can be able to see this is the beam. So this is where the highest point of the tumbler right now. Okay, so this will be the highest point. Okay, so when we actually focus, make sure the red and the blue light is actually on top of the green line down here. So this will be the center and the highest spot on the tumbler. Alright, so there you go. So what we'll do is we will do the regular installing your cable onto your F1 or your F1 Ultra, and the other rest will be the same. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one.